Welcome everyone, I'm Dr. Lisa and this is The Raw Truth. So there's a series of 8 videos in different areas with 4 similar questions regarding relationships and the raw truth. The desire here is to contribute to you, get you sensing and thinking about what works for you in relationship. You can put your comments, underneath the video and let me know and share with others that view this about what's working for you, how you might respond to these questions. You're welcome to subscribe to the channel. Like I said, there's 8 videos at least, and there's other videos that you can take a look at. You're welcome to subscribe, hit the bell to get notified of a new video, and certainly like it or share it if this is something that you feel called to that might benefit other people. So relationship has been a very interesting area for myself, and also as a professional empowerment coach, therapist in these 30 years that I've been doing this. I always say that people come to lean in to change their life with 3 topics. Okay, relationship, health, and money. So we're talking about relationship now. And if you've had some difficulties in relationship, this might be a series to get you maneuvering into a direction that works for you. So let's start talking about affection, okay? Just notice whatever that brings up for you, affection. You might be like, I'm not getting enough, or oh my God, I can't stand it, back off. Or wherever you fall in them, in that area. So affection is our first category. Here's the first question. What does affection mean to relationship, okay? How important it is for you on a scale from 0 to 10. How important do you sense it is for that person you're choosing to be in relationship with? What does it mean? How do you navigate the lack of affection? Okay, let's say you're wanting something and you keep getting rejected, more affection, or there's no affection and you don't even remember touching the other person or being with the other person or even sitting near the other person. How is that working for you? Do you like that? Does it make you feel more like you want to lean into the relationship, or does it make you go elsewhere? Important things to start reflecting on. How do you deal with the emotions that come up when your partner or the person, I do realize that there are a lot of different names that people call their beloved, their creationship person, their co-creator, their partner, their husband, their wife, they, whatever it is that you substitute, whatever word works for you, if I don't actually say the word that fits what type of relationship you are choosing. So how do you deal with the emotions that come up when your partner's not affectionate with you, right? Do you get mad? Do you withdraw? Do you walk away? Do you yell, start a fight? Do you leave? Do you talk to your friends about it? Do you not deal with it at all? And then just go after them and go after them and go after them, but never tell them that you're upset about the lack of affection? How do you have the hard conversations about affection with your partner? Everybody is going to be different. You have to get what affection is to you and what does it mean to your relationship, and at what level is that working for you with what you've created now, and then a plan to change it. I don't know what would work for you to change it, but you have to know what works for you. And you start by asking questions. How do you navigate the lack of affection? Well, you might actually have to tell that other beautiful being in your life that you require more, and give them 3 ways. Give examples. That was a key thing to learn. Give examples of what works. And you might actually have to say, that hurts. I don't like that. Go brush your teeth, take a shower. And that's okay too. That's how you navigate it. And the emotions that come up if your partner isn't affectionate with you, you gotta talk about that. If you have a very comfortable relationship, and be like, let me know when you have the space to converse with me about something. I have to tell you something. And when they don't do it when they're in the middle of something. Do it when there's actually space to actually have a conversation, and don't make it last for 5 hours, 15, 20 minutes, in and out. Figure it out. Make a plan and change the dynamic. And that's the hard conversation that you have. I feel X when you're not affectionate. Anger, rage, fury, anger, rage, sad, shame, unlovable, unworthy, untouchable, bad. When it's been 3 months since you've touched me. It's important for me to have affection in my relationship. And that doesn't just mean holding hands, sleeping next to each other in bed. It could mean sexual intimacy and more sexual intimacy, or at least this. It could mean kissing. It could mean being in physical proximity on the couch. It could be, doing an activity together. Affection can happen in a lot of different ways. Audios, letters. Who writes letters anymore? All these sorts of things. So just wanted to get you started about your real truth and regarding affection. So what is it and how you're doing? Put it in the comments and let me know. And we'll continue with the next part of the series. Thanks for making affection important for you.